All right, let's make the fluffiest pancakes ever, right at home. First, grab a big bowl and whisk together 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, mix 1 egg, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour the wet stuff into the dry stuff and gently stir it up just until it's combined. Don't overmix. A few lumps are totally okay, trust me. Now let your batter hang out for about 5 minutes. This is the secret for those tall, cloud-like pancakes. Meanwhile, heat a nonstick pan over medium-low and add a little butter. Scoop out your batter, about 1/4 cup per pancake. When you see bubbles on the surface and the edges look set, flip them over. Go slow and steady here. We want that golden color. Give them another minute or so on the second side, then stack them high. Top with butter, maple syrup, or whatever makes you happy. That's it. Super fluffy pancakes that are so easy you'll want them every weekend. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how yours turned out. And don't forget to hit that like button for more tasty tips.